There were also actors and actresses in the Pakistani film industry who remained unknown despite working in many films. Actor Masood is also one of such actors, who did not succeed even after doing good roles. Many moviegoers may not know about actor Masood. Therefore, today we are presenting some information about the hero of our time, actor Masood, in the program Filmi Dunya, to the audience. The real name of the unknown actor. Masood, the deceased, was filmmaker and director. Nazir's company. He started his film career with the film Abro of Hind Pictures. The film Abro was released in 1943. Masood played a secondary role in this film. After that, he continued his film journey with great success and worked in more than 25 films. He mostly played the roles of hero and side hero in these films. Isha, Nadan, Nakad Narayan, Ragir, Nek Parveen, Dior, Banur, Grihasti, Jeevan Chaya, Pujari, Dil Ki Basti, Balam, etc. are included. After the partition, he came to Pakistan in 1949. And here, he first played the role of a hero opposite Sabiha Khanum in director Amin Malik's film Gairat, after which he also played a hero with Sabiha in the film Panjra. Apart from these films, Masood has also acted in the films Shola Har Jai, Selab, Barka, Sharare, Intikab, Hakat, Sutelima and Zanjir. The film Zanjir was his last film. This film was Masood's personal film, and he was also the director of this film. After that, he stopped working in films and moved from Lahore to Karachi. In Karachi, he had built his own cinema. Later, he became a disciple of Baba Hazrat Zahin Shah Taji by taking oath, and may Allah grant him a high position in Jannatul Firdaus.